This 2025 Newmar Ventana 4369 is a Class A RV. It is located in Ocala, FL 34473 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Newmar is 43 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 7, Slideout, and 105 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, rear bath. This 2025 Newmar Ventana 4369 is built on a Freightliner XCR Tag Axle chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.